Ever wondered how to turn your Android into a money-making machine? Well, it's simpler than you might think. With just a little bit of knowledge, you can transform your Android device into a tool for monetizing your YouTube channel. First, it's important to understand the concept of YouTube monetization. This is the process of earning money from your uploaded videos through ads. YouTube partners with creators to split revenues from ads displayed on their content. But how does one get in on this partnership? Let's delve into that. To begin, you'll need to have a YouTube channel. Creating one is as simple as signing into your Google account and clicking on your user icon in the top right corner of the screen. From there, select Create a Channel and follow the prompts. Remember, a channel that reflects your personality and content will attract more viewers, so choose your name carefully. Next, you'll need to meet YouTube's monetization requirements. These include having at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months, and living in a country where the YouTube Partner Program is available. Once you've met these requirements, it's time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Head over to YouTube Studio on your Android device, tap on Monetization, and follow the steps to apply. It might take a little time for YouTube to review your application, so be patient. After getting approval, it's time to set up Google AdSense. This is the platform that facilitates payments from YouTube. To set this up, navigate to the Monetization tab in YouTube Studio and select See More under the AdSense section. Follow the prompts to link an AdSense account to your YouTube account. Now your channel is set up to start earning. But remember, monetization is more than just ad revenue. Consider other income streams such as channel memberships, merchandise shelf, and super chat. Diversify your income to maximize your earnings. Lastly, create engaging content. The more viewers you attract, the more ad impressions you'll generate and the more money you'll make. Use your Android to shoot and edit videos, add effects, and upload them directly to your channel. Be consistent, be creative, and most importantly, be yourself. Remember, turning your Android into a money-making machine with YouTube isn't overnight magic. It requires hard work, creativity, and patience. But with these steps, you're well on your way to monetizing your YouTube channel. So, what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and unlock your earnings potential. Your Android device is more than just a smartphone. It's a tool to financial freedom. Go ahead, monetize your YouTube channel and let your Android device make money for you.